This is the help video for the long-term climate change assignment, the graph analysis. You're going to analyze a few graphs and just answer some questions about them. It's very important as we do science that you're really good at reading graphs and drawing conclusions from them. All that science does is it observes the world, collects data, graphs it, and tries to figure out what it all means. The cool thing is that a lot of times it enables us to predict what can happen in certain situations. It can help us understand how different forces in the world work. If I do this, then this will happen. If this happens, if we see this happening in nature, then maybe this will happen soon. It helps us predict things to avoid problems, right? And so you being good at that about reading data helps you be more informed. And you don't have to rely on anyone else. A lot of people get their information just from Googling things. And unfortunately, a lot of those Google answers come from anybody. They can come from other students, kids, adults, people who are biased, people who want to lie to you. So you being able to analyze data by yourself is key, because every decision you make, or at least any scientific decision, every decision you should make, you should be well informed. You should have the evidence. You shouldn't just accept things because some influencer told you or somebody told you. You should see for yourself why things are the way they are. That's what science is all about. So in this worksheet, you're going to look at some graphs. I think I have two of them for you. They look like this. You do have to open the assignment on Canvas or else you won't be able to see them. I like the graphs on Canvas so we can save paper and so that you can see them in color. This one's pretty straightforward. We have the temperature, millions of years. Obviously, you have to answer those things. Analyze this and answer some questions. I just want to point out that this is for the past 500 million years. Remember that 1 million years is 1,000 years. Does that make sense to you? The reason I'm saying that is because the second graph is 400,000 years ago. This entire second graph would fit within this little spit. See, this is 50 million years ago. 400,000 isn't even half of 1 million years. So if we could split this up into 50 separate sections, just this little piece here, these graphs would probably be from like right here till the end. This little tiny space here. Let me show you. This is really long term. This data here only would fit, if we put on this graph, it would be like from here to here, probably less than that circle, that little edge right there. That's how much it would be, probably even less, probably like that. All right, just so you're not confused. This top graph is in millions of years. This one is in, it goes up to 400,000 or a little bit more. All right, before the present. And look, there's three different things plotted here. This one is CH4, you should know what that is. This one is CO2, you should know what that is. And here is temperature. Notice that the final readings are over here, 2013. Okay, if you have any questions, just ask.